In our previous video, we already learned how the start capacitor functions. If you haven't seen that yet, you can check it out by clicking the link in the description below. In this video, let's understand how the run capacitor works. The run capacitor comes into action after the start capacitor cuts off. Its main role is to help the outdoor unit operate smoothly and efficiently during continuous running. Let's understand this better with a simple example. The run capacitor stores electrical energy coming from the power supply. It holds this charge within itself. Whenever there's even a slight drop or delay in the regular power supply, the capacitor releases its stored energy to the compressor, helping it continue running without interruption. Once the power supply returns to normal, the capacitor stops discharging and begins recharging itself again, storing power for the next time it's needed. In this way, the run capacitor ensures that the compressor runs steadily and efficiently. And that's how a run capacitor works. If you have any questions or doubts about this topic, feel free to ask in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Intact Knowledge, for more HVAC learning videos. Thank you for watching.